So I bought a friend's watch collection. Well, part of it, somebody I've worked with for a while, and he wanted to, lighten up and free things up for other things. And so I bought some of his watches. I've already looked at them. I normally like to, experience it with you, but that's what we get. Let's start with number one. Okay, number two. I don't know what to make of this one. Okay, this thing. It's early. It's a proof. The original notch case, someone polished just the heck out of it. Man, they really, really ate it down. Feb 1970. This is one of these things where you have an event that somehow can pick up with the right kind of heat and moisture. It can pick up the lubricants or something else, or grease, and it will migrate with the water vapor, and then it gets pulled to the loom, which is salt-based, and it'll turn this odd. This is not the corrosion solely, I don't believe. It has this weird oily mushy feeling to it. It's when the loom is like this, there's no coming back from it. It has to be reloomed. So this is a proof. It's missing its two-part sweep. I did get the hour hand, which actually isn't bad. And the sub-counter hand, I do not have that. Ring is typical, but here is the cool thing. See that? Thuyen. I'm assuming that is a Vietnamese name. And this watch was in a hot, humid, abusive place. Potentially. Anyway, but check this out. That's hand painted. I wonder if the jeweler the person bought it from, if that was something that they could, add to it. They pop the thing and put your name right on the dial. That's really cool. And since the original ring is faded, normally I'd think about that, but the case and everything is going to have to go. It can't. I'm going to have to relume it. I'm going to have to add hands that weren't original to this. So I'm just going to go kaboom, and I'm going to make this as it needs to be. So that should be, wait. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Which, you look for wear marks underneath the lugs to tell you what they wore it on. This guy did not wear it on a bracelet for very long. Like, really, really not very long. It had the Aussie style ones, the solid end links, the Stellax end links with the president. But those went away, looks like almost immediately. They're not even over here. So he put it on a strap or something. I'm looking to see if it has the typical wear marks if you have a one piece going over it. Well, a little. No, I think it just got worn a lot. So it was probably on a two piece or something that protected the case back. I'm looking forward to doing this one. That should be cool.